Hi there, I'm Trev. I'm here to fill you in on what we do as Boilermakers and see if I can get you as excited as I am about the trade. Despite the name, we don't just work with boilers. We actually work with heavy structural steel to fabricate, assemble and install boilers, tanks and fabricated metal products. Our work is crucial in industries like manufacturing, construction and power generation. We fabricate, assemble and repair metal structures using different welding techniques and equipment. You'll read technical drawings, shape metal pieces, joining them through welding and soldering. Another important part of the job is quality checks, making sure everything's structurally sound. Our projects can get pretty complex, which is why problem solving, teamwork and collaboration is key in this industry. The satisfaction you get when you see a project come to life and from seeing it from start to finish is unreal. The best part, you're constantly learning and honing your skills in metalwork and welding. Being a Boilermaker isn't just a job, it's a fulfilling career with endless opportunities in growth, skill development and job satisfaction. If you enjoy hands-on work and love a challenge, then joining the ranks of Boilermakers might be the fit for you. Give it a shot, see where this trade takes you.